In today's video, we have a tutorial on making passive income through social media, specifically Pinterest. I recently discovered that it's possible to earn a living from Pinterest, which surprised me. If someone had told me that there are people making significant amounts of money by simply posting pictures on Pinterest, I wouldn't have believed it. After further exploration, I managed to understand the process, and here's the astonishing part. I had no prior experience or background knowledge of Pinterest. I had never really used Pinterest before, and I was starting from scratch. So, if I could figure it out and generate around $5,000 in a single month using these strategies, there's no reason why you can't do it too. Now, I'm going to explain precisely how to achieve this. With that being said, let's dive right into the video. Before you get started with Pinterest, there's an important first step you need to take. As you can see here, many of these pins direct users to a specific website. This means that in order to make money on Pinterest, you'll need to have your own website. But don't worry if you have no idea how to create one. There are plenty of video tutorials on YouTube that can help you get started. You'll find a comprehensive guide on how to create your own website within 24 hours or even less. Once your website is up and running, you are now ready to start earning money from Pinterest. The second step, after creating your blog or website, is to determine the type of content you want to create. Personally, I felt overwhelmed and unsure of what to share when I started. I lacked extensive experience and didn't have an extraordinary story to tell. I questioned why anyone would be interested in listening to or reading my blog posts, let alone finding a way for me to make money. It was a significant challenge until I discovered the concept of Ikigai. The concept of Ikigai is truly fascinating. It originates from Japan and represents a profound sense of purpose or reason for being. It carries a spiritual aspect and delves deep into the essence of happiness. The Japanese seem to have held a secret about finding true fulfillment, and I believe that's why I feel so gratified when sharing these insights. It aligns with the core principles of Ikigai. Now, for those who are curious about what Ikigai actually means, it refers to the perfect combination of these quadrants: doing what you love, what you're skilled at, what the world needs, and what you can be financially rewarded for. What I've noticed is that many people tend to get stuck in one of these quadrants. They might be able to make money but lack happiness, or they may love what they do but struggle to provide for their family. It can be quite complicated to navigate these aspects, but I believe it's essential to simplify and delve into the core of who you are as a person. It's about identifying what you truly want to do with your life, who you aspire to be, the direction you want to take, and finding a way to monetize it. What often happens is that many individuals focus on doing what they love and are skilled at, following their passion. Yet they struggle to find a way to monetize it because they fail to consider the financial aspect. On the other hand, there are those who genuinely enjoy helping others, but they may not have explored ways to turn it into a sustainable source of income. Some individuals find themselves in a situation where they are juggling their full-time job while also pursuing what they love and what the world needs. However, they may feel unfulfilled because they are not living the life they truly desire. The essence of Ikigai lies in finding the intersection of all these elements. To begin, start asking yourself what you genuinely love doing, what the world needs, what you excel at, and what can be monetized. In my case, I realized that my top priorities were health, wealth, love, and happiness. Many people become fixated on the pursuit of money while neglecting their relationships with family, friends, or their significant other. I realized that if I was facing certain challenges and finding ways to overcome them, there were likely others who were going through the same struggles. Addressing these common problems is also a way to meet a need in the world. Furthermore, by offering a product, service, or solution to these issues, it becomes possible to earn income. Initially, I wasn't particularly skilled at what I was doing, but through learning from my mistakes and openly sharing my experiences, I gradually improved. I want to encourage all of you to reflect on your own lives. Do you have something that encompasses all of these aspects, or are you currently stuck in a situation that doesn't fulfill all four quadrants? Are you solely focused on your mission or passion? Are you trapped in a profession that lacks fulfillment? Or perhaps you have a vocation that brings you joy but leaves you feeling empty inside. The most challenging part of using platforms like Pinterest to generate income isn't necessarily the platform itself, as we'll discuss in this video. It's about discovering your Ikigai and allowing it to permeate every aspect of your life. The third step involves entering Pinterest and creating boards that are searchable and appealing to users. This is where a significant portion of my Pinterest traffic originates, thanks to the power of the internet. If you take a look at my Pinterest profile, you'll notice various boards covering topics such as affiliate marketing, blogging tips, and making money through blogging. To create a board, simply click on the plus button and select Create a Board. Now, you might be wondering how to name your board and ensure that people can easily find it. Here's a helpful trick. You can go to the All Pins section and observe what people are already searching for. Look for keywords like make money from home, make money online, or make money fast. Incorporating these keywords into the title of your group board will increase the chances of more people finding and engaging with your content. Keywords play a crucial role in optimizing your visibility on Pinterest. Although I receive a significant amount of traffic to my Pinterest profile, it's important to note that it's not solely from my own blog posts. I also attract traffic by pinning other people's blog articles. It seems that the traffic generated by others' content finds its way to my Pinterest account. To replicate this strategy, you need to remember the concept of Ikigai that we discussed earlier. Take some time to create a comprehensive list of your passions and interests, focusing on the things you love doing, what the world needs, what you excel at, and what you can be financially rewarded for. In my case, since my focus is on finding ways to make money online, many of my boards revolve around topics like blogging tips for beginners or making money online for beginners. These are straightforward and descriptive names that resonate with my target audience. However, let's say someone is passionate about cooking. They could create group boards with titles like Cooking Recipes for Dinners, Healthy Cooking Recipes, Cooking Recipe Videos, Vegetarian Cooking Recipes, or Cooking Recipes for Kids. Each of these boards would cater to specific interests within the broader cooking niche. As you can observe, all the other boards I have created are based on what I discovered people are actively searching for. I found these keywords and topics through the recommendations provided by Pinterest. Whatever your Ikigai is and whatever you want to share with the world, there are endless possibilities. It could be dating advice, relationship tips, or dating advice specifically tailored for women over 40. There are countless avenues you can explore. Once you create a board, it will appear similar to this example. You will begin pinning a variety of content, not only from your own blog, but also from other people's blogs. By saving relevant pins to the group board, you create a diverse collection of valuable resources for your audience. After you have successfully created your group boards, the fourth step involves crafting a Pinterest pinnable image that is enticing and clickable. This step is straightforward and relies on proven strategies that are known to be effective. Let's take an example to illustrate this. Suppose one of your keywords is dating advice, and you want to target women over 40. To create a pinnable image for this topic, you can click on the Dating Advice for Women Over 40 keyword to gather inspiration and insights. When you explore the search results for your chosen keyword, such as proofreading jobs, you'll notice that certain blog articles rank highly. Pinterest functions similarly to Google in this regard. Users enter their search queries and click on the blog posts that catch their attention. To create an effective pinnable image, I recommend studying the images that are performing well and using them as inspiration. By searching for proofreading jobs, you can identify popular search terms and observe the colors and design elements that are visually appealing to users. To create your own pinnable image, you can use Canva, a free graphic design tool. Simply visit Canva's website, select Create a Design, and search for Pinterest Pin. Canva offers a range of templates that you can customize for your specific needs. The best part is that you don't need any prior graphic design experience to use it. Once you've chosen a template, you can easily modify the text, rearrange elements, and experiment with different styles. Take inspiration from successful pins on Pinterest, such as using a laptop image, incorporating numbers, and utilizing engaging text. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can export it for use on Pinterest. It's a simple and cost-free way to create attractive and clickable pinnable images. This strategy is crucial for increasing your visibility on Pinterest and reaching the right audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video, and have a great day. See you soon.